Good afternoon. Just a quick update. Gonna do some video here and show you some things from Whitehorse when we were waiting around to get the motorhome fixed, and then some things from our travels up past Whitehorse, and then after that I'll do another video that shows you the things that you missed, the ice house and the North Pole and Santa and that kind of stuff. So look forward to those, but for now this is just going to be a little bit of a back pace of what we did while we were waiting. And Chuck and I will be heading home soon, so hopefully to see all of you who are there, and those of you who are not, we appreciate you watching. Please subscribe and like, and we'll talk to you soon. After what, 6 days there, Papa?
6 days.
6 days. I'm Muna. My driver is Papa. We're driving down the road, heading toward the hot springs. Maybe we'll get there this afternoon. We'll see from there. But just giving you an update. Got the motorhome fixed. I got a new tie rod put on in Whitehorse. A couple other things taken care of there. And now we're headed back to get whatever else done that we need to get done and see what we can enjoy on our way home. Alright, that's a quick catch up. We'll get back with you in a bit.
Till you're ready to be open, everybody.
So here
we need somebody. Yeah, you got me. You know that I know that. By your side when you're all alone,
here we are.
I will be.
Obviously, Chuck fixed the slide because it's in and you could see him now. So, what you got to say there, boy?
Can you put that in your pocket? That's what I'm going to say.
Yeah. Hello. We are back on the road, as you can probably see. Papa fixed the slide, bolt sheared off, and you know, anybody who knows him knows he's good at stuff like that, and he prepared and brought more stuff than I thought we needed, but apparently we needed it. What you got, Papa? Oh, sorry, Chuck. Hey, Chuck.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Driving.
You got anything you want to say to the peeps?
Just always be prepared. RV life is full of surprises. Some good, some bad.
You just never know what's going to happen.
Just gotta be ready for both. But It's all good when you get it repaired and get back on the road without having to call extra help in.
And within the time that you were supposed to leave the campground.
Absolutely.
I think we had 5 minutes to spare.
That's right.
Got all hooked up and got out the door.
I don't miss my SP time.
Nope. All right, we'll catch up with you later.
Pick you up, I will be there. Hey, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there.
That's the little inn where we had breakfast on our way here a couple months ago. Wow, that's so funny. It's very pretty.
It looks totally different now.
Yeah, everything looks different because it's warmer, and we're getting ready to come around the corner here to Muncho Lake, where on our way here it was frozen, and now it is thawed out, and it's beautiful, beautiful green turquoise color. And is this my window button? That's okay. You're fine. I read a sign a while back that said that the lake is turquoise because of the rock flower. And I was like, wow, that's crazy. What is rock flower? Rock flower is the dust that comes off of... Sorry, we're going around curves and it's kind of crazy. Rock flower is the dust that comes off of the rocks as it comes down the mountain, and it's what makes the turquoise color in the lake. So all of this was frozen a month and a half ago when we came through here. It's just a very beautiful, beautiful place.
You are the reason I smile. The one who makes it all worthwhile. You are the song in my heart. The one who plays the perfect part. You are the dream of my soul. The one who makes me feel whole. You are the star in my night. The one who guides me.
Good Tuesday morning. Here we are, up, showered, on the road before 7 o'clock this morning, on our way to Calgary, about 350 miles from Calgary, Canada. Chuck, what you got to say this morning?
Good morning, everyone.
It's a beautiful sunny day. A couple clouds in the sky. Anything else?
No.
No? Alright, well, we'll catch up with you later. We're just going to be motoring down the road.
You are the reason I smile.